Changing DNS records on IONOS, for example, CNAME, MX, TXT, directs traffic to new hosts like websites or email servers. Use the IONOS control panel. No technical expertise needed. Changes propagate in up to 1 hour external. Requires domain access. Backup settings first. Steps: web browser. Log in. Visit ionos.com. Sign into your account. Select domains and SSL from the dashboard. Access DNS. Find your domain. Click the gear icon under Actions. Choose DNS. Edit record. Locate the record type. For example, A for IP, MX for email. Click the pencil icon, edit next to it. Update details, host and name. For example, @ for root. www for subdomain. Value points 2. Enter new IP, tom AAA. Hostname, CNAME, or server, MX or TXT. TTL, set time to live, default 1 hour, lower for faster changes. For NS, name servers. Gear, name server. Enter custom servers, save. Save changes. Click Save. Deactivate conflicting services if prompted. Gear, disable service. Tips: verify with tools like dnschecker.org, For full reset, Gear, DNS, reset domain, settings, select items, reset now. Mobile, use IONOS app, limited, prefer desktop. Support, chat via help center if errors.